This video will show you how to properly install your new Aluma-Tow hitch and accessories onto your vehicle and cover safety tips along the way to get you safely towing on the road. Additional accessories like the utility towing hook and our hitch step with built-in brake light can also be purchased separately along with standard replacement parts. First, take the drop section and slide it into the hitch receiver. It can be inserted with a drop, or you can flip it and insert it as a rise with no change in the towing weight ratings. Secure the drop section to the vehicle by inserting the locking hitch pin through the receiver hole and attach the swivel head to lock. You only need to use the key to unlock the pin. If you have a 2.5-inch receiver, you can use a hitch adapter, or you can buy our HD model made for 2.5-inch receivers. Next, grab the adjustable section and install the hitch ball or other accessory you are using. You can keep both hitch balls installed, but we recommend only using one hitch ball when the hitch is at the lowest drop to allow more ground clearance. Insert your desired hitch ball size into the adjustable section and align the hitch ball hole with the center of the bracket hole. Once they are aligned, insert the hitch ball securing pin completely through the center of the hitch ball until the head of the pin is flush. After installing the hitch balls to the adjustable section, slide it onto the drop section at the desired height and secure it with the standard hitch pin and the remaining locking pin. Both pins must be attached to maintain safe towing capacity and operation. The adjustable section can be turned away from you when not in use. After installation, double-check the locking pins and standard pins to make sure they have been secured and locked correctly. To install the step, insert it into the top or bottom of the adjustable section. If you will be towing with the step installed, you will need to install it at the bottom of the adjustable section. Once you have secured the step with the pin, insert the 24-inch long 4-way flat extension loop into your 4-way flat connector on the back of the step. Insert the other end into the socket on your vehicle. Turn your vehicle on and tap the brakes to check if you have connection. Be sure to follow towing capacity guidelines and do not exceed the gross trailer weight ratings for each hitch ball size. For replacement parts, other product info, or to contact us, visit our website at alumatow.com or find us on social media.